Hi there! Are you tired of getting stuck on the same page while trying to enjoy your eBooks and Apple Books? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through some easy solutions to fix this annoying issue on your iPhone. So let's dive right in and get your reading back on track. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. To start, hold down the power button and either the volume up or down button for a few seconds. You'll see a menu pop up on your screen. Next, slide the power button that says slide to power off. Your iPhone will automatically restart itself. Once your iPhone is back on, check to see if the problem has been resolved. Solution 2. Reinstall Books. For this solution, go ahead and open the Settings app again. Then tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the Books app, then tap on it. Next, tap on Delete App. After that, tap on Delete App again to confirm. Now close out of Settings and open the App Store. Search for Apple Books in the App Store. Then go ahead and download it. Now check to see if the issue has been fixed. So there you have it. That's how you can fix the Apple Books stuck on a page issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. If you have any questions to run into any problems, just drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you ASAP. Thanks a bunch for watching and happy reading.